Joms TV Media on a beautiful and rainy Saturday afternoon. We're on our way here at AGC Park Lifestyle for the Resilience Chapter 1 Car Meet. So this is in partner with Tunuhan Session. Of course, shout out to Motolite and Valvoline. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel so we could create and feature events and shows like this. Alright, please like and subscribe this channel. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Of course, shout out kay Sir Retrofit Kings. Of course, kay Will Vision. Shout out kay Will Vision, of course. Kay Kuya Guard. Alright, so yan. Tara, let's enjoy. I hope you enjoy this episode. Alright, thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Ito sila. Of course, sila Clean Builds, of course. Saka,
tinitignan ko kanina pag di pa nagpapapa ng window.
good morning. Ayan. Of course, Clean Builds. Tapos, excuse me po. Tapos Retrofit Kings, nandyan na, Manong Jonski. Shoutout sa Retrofit Kings. Of course, sa Flashy Crew. Tapos South Junction, dyan din. And kotse ni Manong Martin. Siyempre, Go Factory. Rock Boys. Saan pwede po, Mark? Alright guys, we're already here at AGC Lifestyle Park and for the Resilience New Beginning. Of course, nandito na si All About Cars, andun si Become Legendary, ayan si All About Cars, tumatakbo. At merong magandang CV, oh my goodness.
Namin sir, yung trend niya pala, medyo
Guys, shoutout sa kay Mr. Resilience, Mr. Jeff Briones, the host for today's event. Of course, with Become Legendary and All About Cars.
Number one motor oil. Ano ang number one motor oil?
Ano number one motor oil?
Siyempre, Valvoline. Sino yung nasa event?
Ayun. Oh, shoutout sa Valvoline.
The original never stops.
Totoo yan, totoo. Teka lang. Ayun, oh, si Media Cartel. Shoutout kay Wills Bro. Ayan, shoutout kay Wills Bro. Guys, follow nyo yung page niya, Wills Bro Facebook.
Yes, mo.
Alright.
Wala pa akong IG eh.
Wala pa. O, abangan nyo, mag-aka-IG na si Sir. Okay, ikot na tayo.
Iskatin namin, lahat kami.
Okay, guys, the man of the hour. of
Yo,
the
yo.
Resilience, Mr. Matthew.
It's your lazy boy.
So it's your lazy boy. Matthew, congratulations sa event mo.
Thank you. Congrats sa atin. Sa
Sa atin
to,
pala.
syempre.
Ayan, daming attendees.
Sa atin to eh. Event natin to syempre.
So ano expectation mo for this event?
Expectation ko. Siguro, yun lang. Lagi naman maging solid yung event. Tsaka syempre yung cooperation ng bawat tao. Yung camaraderie natin ng car guys dito sa community natin. Na hindi tayo yung lahat tayo nasisiraan. Yun lang ang sa akin talaga. Kaya gusto nagpapa-event tayo kasi gusto natin magkakasama-sama tayo, magkakausap-usap ng mga car guys. Siyempre, hindi yabangan,
Yes.
kundi tulungan sa builds natin. Kaya thank you rin kay Chunuhan kasi Chunuhan, siyempre, meron tayong free setup ng sounds natin dyan. Tune natin yan. Then also kay Trevor Works.
Trevor Works, okay.
Kay Trevor Works, mga 86 nila.
86.
Kay Retrofit Kings. Siyempre, kay Valvoline. Yung
Of course, Valvoline.
The number one original oil daw, sabi ni Jeff, ni Mr. Valvoline.
Ay, interview na yan.
Oh.
Ay, interview na to?
Oh,
Ano?
rolling na eh.
So, kailan po ba mauulit ang resilience?
Kailan daw mauulit ang resilience to? Siguro sa next year. The joke. Meron tayong may pinahanda ako sa September 27. Dito rin sa AGC Lifestyle Park. So, that event is, actually hindi siya resilience eh. It's an event na handled or present siya sa namin, grupo, which is yung restricted.
Oh.
Ibang group.
Yeah. Pero yun yung core group ng resilience talaga, yung restricted. So, ayun yung inaan namin para ipapakilala na rin namin this year yung grupo namin. Kasi syempre, pag resilience kasi sabi nila parang ako lang eh. Pero hindi lang ako si resilience, marami kami. Marami tumutulong behind the scene.
Correct.
So, ayun, makikilala nyo sila sa restricted nga. Yung restricted na yun, ayun yung binuo namin ng grupo namin. Binuo namin siyang grupo which is consists of the members ng rin ng Resilience. And kung gusto nila sumali din, message lang sila sa para masama sila sa screening kasi magkaka-screening din tayo September 27.
Okay.
Sure ako dyan. Magandang event yan. So, may mga isa-shoutout pa ba, sir?
Yes, yung sponsors natin, syempre, si Trevor Works, Northside Exclusive, si Valvoline, si Retrofit King, si Become Legendary, syempre, idol ko yan, magaling mag-edit yan. Si Joms TV yan, isa pa yan, vlogger, napakalupit mag-edit yan, syempre. Hindi yan mag-edit. Joke na. Si Kuya Jonski, Go Factory, then
Clean
si
Culture.
Manong Marks, Decal Republic,
Paranaque.
Paranaque. Then syempre, yung iba pang sponsor natin, si Valvoline, si Motolite, si Monster Energy Drink, yan, si Media Cartel, hashtag sa'yo, shoutout sa'yo Media Cartel. And then, sino pa ba sponsors natin for this event? Retrofit Kings, yeah, paulit-ulit na, 2 beses na nga eh.
Baka naman.
Yeah, baka naman. Nasabi ko na rin si Motolite, pero isa ulit, baka naman, nagdidiskarga yung baterya ko ngayon. Isa ulit, si Motolite ulit, maraming salamat. Siyempre, sino pa ba? Sino ba sponsor na? Yan, si Ghost Lens para. Kung gusto nyo ng clear taillights, pwede kayo pumunta kay Ghost Lens.
Uy,
Nagagawa sila ng
clear taillights.
clear taillights. Meron silang vouchers sa pamimigay mamaya, less 2,000 ata yun na kasama sa raffle. Then, syempre, shoutout sa family ko, sa Ermat and Erpat ko.
Na hindi nila alam nandito ka.
Hindi, alam nila, hindi lang sila sumama. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko, yan, yung bunso. Tsaka yung ate ko, yung the fastest one. Kung gusto nyo ng may pa-event kayo, then may gusto nyo merong karera na driving sim, yan, you can contact them.
Oo, yun nandun.
Yan.
Guys,
Sister
mami,
ko
check
naman
natin.
Dinadala ko yung buong pamilya ko sa car scene.
Tama.
Ganda yan, passport yan.
Sino ba mga natin dyan?
Anong pagkakata mo?
Marami tayong yan, syempre, ulitin ko, Become Legendary.
Baka naman.
Baka naman, pegi t-shirt. De joke. Ayun, kuha kayo ng merch ko kung gusto nyo.
Ayun pala, oh.
Yeah, meron tayong merch. Yan.
Resilience.
Embroidered yan.
Embroidered.
Na, Tapos meron na rin tayong 3D na keychain na logo ng Resilience.
Ay, oo.
Yan. Meron sila. Yan.
So guys, so,
Yan, meron sila. Oh.
yan oh.
Solid yan.
Solid to. Ganda oh. Rubber yata to.
Hindi,
Acrylic.
Hindi siya acrylic eh. Nakalimutan ko anong material na ginamit.
Pero maganda. Guys, check it out. Check
3D
nyo sa page
printed
niya.
yan. Siyempre, kay AGC Lifestyle Park. Kasi siyempre, kung wala tong event na to, kung wala si AGC Lifestyle
Yes,
Park.
sir. At galing pa siya ng
Galing pa
Bulacan.
ako ng Plaridel, Bulacan.
Plaridel, Bulacan, represent.
Flood control, baka naman.
Flood control, yes, flood control. Pero hindi naman kami binaba, which is a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Pero
Basta
yun pa
man.
rin, syempre kawawa yung mga kababayan natin na binabaha, di ba?
So, okay na yan. Alright. Oh guys,
He's out.
Joms TV Video with resilience. And of course, become legendary here at AGC Lark Lifestyle Park. Salamat! Shoutout sa mga friends ni Sir Matthew. All the way from Bulacan din.
Ay, di, QC naman.
QC. Hello po sa inyo, mga sir and ma'am.
Sa tingin mo ilan pa kasa? Lima.
Okay. Oh guys, itutour ko kayo just like what we do. And teka lang, excuse me sa mga medias natin. Oy, Trevor Works, ayan, oh. Tama ba? Ay, ito mga idol ko sa mga media. Ayun si sir. Hello sir, how are you? Of course, Wheel Vision, check nyo yung merch na.
May merch na to eh.
Oh.
Siyempre, ako ulit.
Siyempre, organizer ulit. At ito yung mga kotse nila. Kung gusto nyo ng rap, ito meron sila. Check out their Facebook page. Okay. Alright. Ikot ulit, ikot. Gwapo ng views. Oh. Hello po. Shoutout ko lang tong ating kaibigan. First Clean Builds. Sir RJ.
Media.
Solid. Sir, kamusta? Gwapo. Hi sir.
TikTok. Biyod.
GBS. Ayun. Follow niyo yung page nila. Okay. Shoutout sa Retrofit Kings kaya sir. If you want mga headlight yan, check it out. Retrofit Kings.
Ayun, so projector ng retrofit
Yan.
kit. Sa mga gusto na maliwanag yung dadaanan nila, ito ang makakatulong sa inyo.
Maraming salamat. As always, Retrofit Kings. Check it out. Thank you. Sir. Hello. Wapo ng BM guys. Shoutout sa Lady Driven of course na magkakaroon ng event on September 6.
Yes! Punta po kayo.
Punta kayo. Guys, para makita nyo yung mga build nila at saka sila of course. Shoutout sa president nyo.
Princess.
Alright. Okay guys, check out Decal Republic, Paranaque, and of course Panic, and Valvoline. So ngayon, nagkakaroon ng tonohan session. So tinotono yung mga cars na ito yung kay South Junction currently tinotono ng tonohan session. So ayan. So pwedeng itono tsaka yung mga naka-setup na katulad nito, naka-box. Of course, shoutout kay Boss Joven at saka kay South Junction, Sir Jasper, Flash Media.
Welcome sa Tunohan.
Session.
Also, Resilience, Northside. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, thank you. Of course, check it out. Ito. Hello ma'am. Ito yung kapatid ni Sir Matthew. Yan, check it out. Ay, si ma'am pala. Ayan, check it out. Fastest one. If you wanna try it out, yung skills nyo pagdating sa driving on a video game. Check it out. Oy! Si ma'am. Oh.
Wait lang, mamaya ka na mag-beat.
Of course, shoutout sa Neck Breakers. Solid, oh. Dax Shomai, as always. Kaibigan natin. So, bro, of course, hello kay nanay.
Nasa TV ka ma.
Hello po. Thank you. Okay, teka. Mag-aay muna ako dito sa Patek 454. Of course, kay Cap. At may atraso pa ako dito.
Sakto lang, bagong strip to metal yung SI.
Ayan, okay. So yun, i-feature natin, abangan yung kotse ni Sir. At anong dala mo, Sir? Ayan. At yan ang dream car natin.
Siyempre, ako na naman.
Sana naman, of course, organizer. Cap, nice to see you again. We'll schedule, sir. Thank you, thank you. Of course, Manila Hype Life, as always.
TV number 1!
Manila Hype Life, number 1.
Tonohan Podcast.
Yan, abangan nyo.
Paluan.
Paluan, yan. Abangan nyo, follow nyo. Kung may mga SIR kayo, check out Padek.
Padek 454 Club.
Alright, he's the president, of course. Joms TV Media, Manila Hype Life. Thank you. Ayan, ito yung kotse niya. Ayan. Tapos ito yung kotse ni Cafe and Chrome. Follow nyo rin yung page niya if you wanna good quality photography and video. Ayan, check out Cafe and Chrome. Guwapo ng race. Very nice. Ganda ng Lexus. Of course, meron ding Lancer na I believe this is a Sedia Lancer na GT. Tama ba? Pero ganda oh. Linis. Shoutout sa friend ko kay Cholo Del Rosario of Aizu Ramen and Universal Bakery. Hello kay Manong Guard. Hello kuya! Okay. So ikot pa tayo. So far, ito yung yung mga nandito. Of course, follow. Shoutout kay DJ at saka kay Page.
Shift to speed po.
Yun, shift to speed.
Opo.
Sa akin din, photograph.
Yan. At saka kung kailangan nyo ng mga DJ sa event, check DJ.
Padek.
Yan. Yan, siya yung guest DJ for today's event. Yan, mga idol ko yan. Spin that turntable, DJ. Okay, ito. This is a modulo Honda City. Alright. Of course, shoutout sa Valvoline. As always. Of course, Miss Charmaine C. Ito yung kanyang kotse na SIR. Of course, shoutout sa Panic. Amsoil. Ayan. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Kamusta po? Ayan ang kotse ni Sir at magkakaroon ng battery check by Motolite. And of course, hello to Miss Charmaine. Of course, kay Sir Jeff. Check out J-Speed Performance. Kung gusto nyo magpatuli ng kotse, modified, no? Pintura, body, ayan, katulad nito. Tsaka yun yung kotse ni Miss Charmaine. Mga idol natin when it comes to racing. Responsible racing. Guys, dun sa mga interesado looking for a Honda Civic SIR, ito binibenta to ni Sir Jeff. So check out the page. Ito yung Jeff J-Speed. Ganda oh. So connect nyo na lang. Ito yung page ni Sir Jeff. Check nyo na lang yung page niya para makuha nyo yung detalye nitong beautiful SIR. Diba? Ganda oh. Of course, shoutout sa birthday boy, Mr. Gerard Calabit. Kasama si All About Cars as always. Shoutout sa Club 7 Gen at saka Civic IX Philippines.
Under Honda Club.
Honda Club nga pala, Philippines. Teka, shoutout muna ako dito sa Wheel Vision, of course. Check out their merch.
Joms TV.
Yan, of course. Check nyo to. Yung kanilang mga merch, bagong merch nila. Ang gaganda ng design. Available sizes, sir?
Small to 3XL.
Okay. Tapos, ganda ng print, oh. Ilang print, sir, meron?
Dalawa. Isang design ng T37.
Ito.
Isang design ng... Ito yung TE, ito yung... Work.
Okay.
PSXT.
Alright. Facebook page?
Wheel Vision.
Wheel Vision. TikTok? Wala pa? IG?
Wala rin.
Wala pa. O, abangan nyo kasi gusto kong sumayaw to si sir.
TikTok.
TikTok.
Ba't Ayumi? Kami TikTok.
Eto, Oo, guys, ito nakikita nyo, sikat to sa TikTok because it's one of the cleanest ano ba to? Veloz? Avanza. Avanza lang daw. Guys, so tingnan nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng Avanza, nag-iisip kayo kung anong pwede nyo gawin. Check this car. Oh. Sobrang linis at sobrang ganda ng tindig. At of course, shoutout sa New Avanza Club at saka Grupo Toyota. Alright. Okay. Joms TV Media with Real Vision. Here at AGC Lifestyle Park. Shoutout sa Valvoline. Solid, no, sir? Number 1. And the original oil. Di ba, sir? Salamat. Okay, dito kayo magpaparegister. Of course. Yan, ipaparegister nyo kasi merong raffle. May raffle ba? Pamimigay. Mamaya. 7 p.m. O yan. O guys, encourage you to register here. Media. Resilient. Media. Follow nyo Facebook. Ayan. Facebook. Yan, sila yung organizer, kapatid ni Sir Matthew. Kapatid mo ni Sir Matthew? Oh, yun pala mga kapatid ni Sir Matthew. Ay, hindi. Tropa. And of course, the host of this event, not other than Mr. Jeff Briones of Resilience Today. Yan, may kaibigan pa si Sir na naka-FD. Solid. Solid yung FD, guys. Sige lang, sir. Okay, guys, Joms TV Media with Seiji Films. Check out yung page na Facebook. Tapos,
cover nito lahat. So,
yan.
abangan nyo pag na-edit ko na.
Yan. Isa to sa mga idol natin when it comes to editing.
Sa idol ko na.
Solid to. Thank you. Alright, Motolite, shout out of course. At siya ulit.
Here's your boy once again.
Okay, we would like to thank one of the sponsors, of course, as ever, Valvoline. Ayan, shout out kala, of course, Valvoline, as always. Of course, si Sir, one of the medias of Valvoline.
And hello everyone.
It's me again.
I'm your host for today, Jeff Briones. This is
So currently, si Sir Jeff nag-a-announce na siya yung host for tonight's event. Of course, shout out sa Monster Energy. So get your picture, ayan, and you get a free Monster drink. Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
And ako na naman.
Yeah. And of course, shout out kay Mr. Martin Mendoza.
Sino yun?
Oh.
Naliligaw ako.
Kaya punta tayo dito sa booth ng Become Legendary. And of course, available ang Universal Bakery. Ensaymada at saka cheese roll. So, shout out kay Mr. Cholo Del Rosario. Of course, kay Ma'am Cathy of Cave Biz Online. Check out her page. Oh guys, ito yung ice cream truck. Okay, boss. Hello sir. Ayan. Check out. Gusto niyo ng ice cream lalo na sa mainit na panahon. Diba sir? Nag-iinit. Cars Plus Coffee of course. May event to bukas. Bukas, okay. Dapat i-post na natin to ngayon. Of course, we'll check out of course, Cravings to Go. Of course, ating friend from Hot Dog. Hello ma'am. Si Miss Bell, of course. Sir Johnsky. So kung gusto nyo ng coffee, check out H Cafe. Ito Petirados. Of course, nandito. Ayan, solid yung mga food nila. Ayan. Solid to.
Number one bro, number one.
Solid to.
2 thumbs up, Clean Beats. Spekerado.
Highly recommended by Clean Builds. Of course, juice of Dosirax Refreshers Drink Mix. Yan. So, sir, kung gusto nyo, nainitan kayo, check out their drink. Available in milk, lemon iced tea, blue lemonade. Facebook, sir. Is there a Facebook? Wala pa. Pero sa mga event, sa mga event kayo usually. Oh. Thank you.
Recoil, JOK, Fibers,
Guys, may nagbablog. Ayan o, sa likod. Ayan o, vlog on vlog. Basta abangan nyo yung mga channel namin. So ito, yung Kanto, sir, check it out. Yung mga kanilang mga food. So they have kikiam, chicken balls.
and Super
Yan.
MJ.
Sobrang solid nito.
Game streamers. So mamaya dito na si Sir MJ, Super MJ.
Okay. Anong media mo, boss? Anong media mo? Wala pa? Pero solid. Shoutout sa'yo, sir. Ano name mo? Carlos Garland. Shoutout kay sir.
Ayan guys, thank you.
Shoutout. NSC. Ha?
Tris Visual.
Oh, ayun. Follow niyo yung page Facebook.
May monster!
Ang Monster, oo. Nakakuha na ba kayo?
Makakuha na ako.
Ayan. Solid.
Eh, sa mga basukan namin, bakit na yung tulog dito?
Guys, of course, Mr. Talembang Boys. Of course, as always. Yun, maglalagay ka? Ayun, ano yan, set up si sir. Thank you, sir. Guys, mga friends natin from Chill Media. Go! Oh, di ba?
sessions, car meets. From north to south, east to west, we rollin'. Bass hitting low, city lights glowing. Let's go. Rolling down Macapagal, bass low, lights glow. AGC lifestyle, park car fam, let's go. From Ayala Malls, Manila Bay to Marcos Highway. Cruise steady lang, walang stress sa layback. Mga car guys, audio people, lakas ng tunog. Old school beats na may bagong ugong. Guloloran sa Alfonso, midnight drive. Chill tambay nights, we keeping it alive. Merch boots up, car media's on the scene. Capturing every ride, making wheels chrome gleam. Sa bawat kalye tunog umabot. Lights sa ilalim, bass na bumabayo. Sounds at beats, ramdam hanggang dulo. Tropa solid kahit san magtungo. North, south, east, west. On the map, laging ready, lagay sa track. Under the city lights, we ride so free. Tambay nights with my crew, just you and me. Feel the sounds, the bass and beats so tight. Enjoy car life, we live in this right. Ooh, from the north to the south, we sway. East and west, keep rolling all day. Sa bawat biyahe, no need to delay. This is our life, and we riding that way. Sa ilalim ng poste, chill sa parking lot. Hawak kape o soft drink, lahat ay relax. Cam flashing up, capture every frame. Sa bawat anggulo, we making our name. Ilaw ng kalye, sumasalamin sa paint. Tunog na malinis, walang kahit faint. Usok sa tambuso, alon sa hangin. Lakad steady lang, walang pagmamadali. From old school rides to the stand scene fresh. Every paint job clean, bawat line ay mesh. No hate, just love sa car community. Para tayong isang malaking family. Marcos Highway cruise, Macapagal nights. AGC meet spots under neon lights. Drive steady, lahat ay in sync. Walang bitawan hanggang mag-daybreak. Under the city lights, we ride so free. Tambay nights with my crew, just you and me. Feel the sounds, the bass and beats so tight. Enjoy car life, we live in this right. From the north to the south, we sway. East and west, keep rolling all day. Sa bawat biyahe, no need to delay. This is our life, and we riding that way. And we riding that way. And we riding that way. Ayala Mall strip, bass hitting deep. Marcos Highway nights, walang tulog, sleep. North side love, south side drive. East and west, all crews arrive. Walang yabang, lahat relax lang. Hawak ang manibela, steady ang audio gang. Ito ang buhay na walang kapantay. Kalye at tunog sa puso taglay. Bass and beats sa bawat kalye. Tuloy-tuloy hanggang umaga pare. From the first gear up hanggang kwinta, walang sablay hanggang dulo ride ng highway. DRP on the grind, go factors, game jumps, TV, media, we carve the same, become legendary, more than acclaimed. Tunohan sessions, the streets know the name.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials.